Hi friend, this is Excel Guru and here I'm sharing my screen to show you the solution. Actually what he has and what is it. Okay. Here some products are there. Think some products are there. Okay. And randomly I will take row 1, row 2, row 3. Okay. Equal to index of this 3 at 4 comma and between 1 comma control and track formula till way to go. Take maximum. Okay. So see, I'll make it, it's a formula, I'll make it values. Okay. See, here we are going to start a serial number. If it is duplicate, sorry, first one is 1. If it is find another duplicate, so it has to show 2. Another duplicate, 3. Like that, etc. etc. Okay. If this is 1, so 1, here is 1. So here automatically should come 2. Here automatically should come 3. Zoom it. So 1 is there. Okay. So duplicate, it should come 2. Here duplicate, it should come 3. So 3, 1 here. And here 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Okay. Again here it should come 2, 3. See. 2 is already, so that comes 3. Okay. So I will show you the solution for this. Okay. Now I'll make it all boxes. Let's try. It's very easy. Alt HBA for all borders. Here use count it. Everyone how they use like this. Count it F4 comma this one. Okay. So it will show you like this. So you want what you will do here instead of this range $16 where we have $, not $, J $16. I'm locking J16. That's it. Okay. That's the formula. Okay. Control. In the drag formula, we are still here. F2. See what it is counting. It's counting still here only. Okay. So it's a now what I'm able to tell you. Okay, this is a running range. Okay. Not running range, some range is there. Expanding range. Okay, we can call expanding range. Okay, J $16. It is log 16 over again till 19. Okay. Click. If you want, you can see by using filter. Control filter L. So you want only product 1 to see if the serial numbers is right or wrong. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all duplicates. First 1 second, 1 third, 1 fourth, 1 fifth, 1 sixth, 1 seventh. So I make it this one like 2 to show like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support.